Hi Effie, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing okay. What are you doing here today in Mocha?
We're having a beautiful fashion show, and the models are ready, everything is ready, and I can't wait. I've been working with the models for quite a while, a few of them, and we're ready to start doing it. We're here for a couple of hours.
I know I've seen a lot of beautiful women.
Oh, they are beautiful women, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, they're all beautiful. I mean, putting one of my art bag that I do, and my jewelry, and my clothes that I do, and my shoes that I do. I build furniture too, but I can't bring that. So I do it all. Art is my life.
Art is your life.
Art is my life, and I support the art, and I love the art.
And how long have you been in art?
In art?
Yes.
I think all my life, since I remember. Since I remember, I did art. I mean, I was born in Israel, like you know, and at 17 I left the country with a backpack, traveled the world, and the first places that I visited, anywhere that I went, is art galleries.
Yeah, art galleries.
Art galleries, because that's the only place that every piece of art speaks to you in many languages, and I didn't have to understand the language by going to an art gallery, and it was amazing. And art is something people say, what do you like to do the most? And there's not really specifically something that I just love everything. I love the creation, just the love of that you take just a piece of leather and you create a bag, or you take a piece of wood and I create a table or a chair or a bed.
By the way, I saw your bag. It's awesome.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I do usually one of a kind, and I never know what I'm doing. Even when I sit down with the leather, I really don't know what I'm doing. It comes to me inside. And suddenly, slowly, I create something. So I really never design none of my clothes, none of my bags. Even when I go to Home Depot, I buy wood. I just tell them to cut them.
Who would think a fashion designer at Home Depot?
That's my favorite place, Home Depot, and it's a lot of I get a lot of inspiration from Home Depot. From the metals, from anything I do get inspiration. And of course from people and places and energy. But I really, even when I go to Home Depot, I never know what I want in Home Depot.
Okay.
I never ask to cut the wood in a certain thing, only if I build a bed or something like that.
So you're looking for promptings and
I'm looking for challenges. My mind is always hungry to create. My mind is always hungry for challenges. And that's it. I don't know. I do that for 24 hours a day. People say you don't sleep. No, how can I sleep if I know that I can create something in that time? So for me, sleeping is, I don't know, when I'm tired, I sleep. I never go with a watch.
No.
I don't have a watch. I never wear a watch. I don't believe in time. I think we're going to have enough time in our life to sleep more than we're going to be alive.
Okay.
So I love the power of creating. And I love art, and it's something, I don't know, art is a soul thing, I mean, it's really, only if you're an artist and you appreciate art, you know really what art is and where it comes from. And I wish for, South Florida to know how lucky they are, with Wynwood and with Boynton and with everywhere. There's so much, art is coming alive. More and more, and I think we have to be so thankful and grateful for all of this.
Now, what's the address of your website?
My website is effisart.com, www.effisart.com.
Okay, and how did you and Mimi start working together?
I would start working through one of my models, Annie, that she worked with me for a year, and we're just talking about her. She worked with me for a year. And through her, she asked me, Effie, can you do the show here? And I said, of course, because I do love Annie. And I came here for her, to support her. And of course, I met Mimi, and she's a beautiful person.
Yes.
And as much as I can to put art in any places, no matter race, no matter religion, no matter color, for me, art is the most beautiful thing there is. And it talks to you in any language. And as a designer, as an artist, I will love to put art in any place. Now I'm trying to do with the homeless. I volunteer in homeless, and I have kids that they're like my buddies, my good friends that they have Down syndrome, and amazing, and they became suddenly artistic, a little art, and that's my joy in my life, that I can see, and my power to see a difference through art, and that's it. I mean, I just want to continue to do the things that I love the most, is helping and supporting the homeless a lot, and now at May, I think we're working on a big fashion show with Miss Florida Plus, with Tia Frost, for kids with disability. We're doing a fashion show, a big fashion show. So for me, I don't know, for me everybody's beautiful. Beautiful outside, I don't look at it. Beautiful, the inside is the most important. And for me, I don't know, I love everybody.
Here, how many designers are here?
I think there's like 6 designers today.
Okay, so 6 designers.
Yeah, 6 designers, including me. So I know that I'm going the last one. They want to save the last. How you say the last? The best for last.
Yes.
Something like that.
It's gonna be awesome to see.
It is, of course, it's awesome. It's awesome, first of all, that we're living and alive, and we're here today. So that's a big plus. So we can't wait for the show to begin, because I know I'm gonna be on at 11 o'clock tonight.
Wow. Yeah. It takes a lot of work to make this happen, but I'm glad that you're here and you're supporting everybody.
Absolutely, I do support, and for me it's supporting the art, because it's my stuff. I do it with my hands. That's why I can't even wash them, they know. I can't. This is my tools.
Yeah.
So, yes, I support the arts very much. You know, and I hope that one day the art is going to be back in school, because I think it's very important. You know, art, it's I don't know, I just can't live a day without to create, you know, a mind, the power of our mind.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing what we can do. I mean, what we can build and what we can destroy, you know, it all depends on us. So I chose to build, not to destroy.